Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Guru and this is Guru Design Lab, and today we are taking on exercise 53 step by step in SolidWorks. If you followed our last video, you will notice this one steps things up with T-shaped inverted profile. We have a total base length of 90 millimeter, you can see here, and I informed 10 wall thickness and 3 identical 25 diameter holes and placed across the flat wings and the vertical center lugs. This model is excellent for learning how to utilize symmetry, mirror features, and establish proper relation between intersecting planes. If you want to master these core card workflows, make sure to hit and the subscribe button and smash that like button. Let's jump right into SolidWorks and let's get started. So first we need to close this exercise and then we'll start from a sketch. Then select a new part and then okay. Then select any plane like top plane and go to a sketch tab and select a sketch and select here a state slot. Then select a smart dimension and measure this radius for 25 and this one is 90 and select here this cursor and go select this point and this origin point and make it for coincident and then go to a sketch tab and select circle here and make a circle at these two end points of 25 diameter. Then go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 10 and then okay. Select here right plane and go to sketch and select here corner rectangle. Go to smart dimension and measure this for 50 and this one is also 50 Then go to sketch tab and select circle here and create a circle at this midpoint and another circle at this midpoint and go to smart dimension and measure this circle at 25 and go to trim entities and trim this all extra part. And then go to features tab and select extrude boss base and select it mid plane and extrude it up to 10 and select OK. You can see here this file is ready. And if you want to apply some appearance, so go to appearance tab, first select this sketch and go to appearance tab and select any color you want to apply on it, then okay, select this appearance and then go to appearance tab and select circle, select color, then apply OK. And that is how you model exercise 53 efficiently in SolidWorks. If this tutorial helped you to master mirroring and plane relation today, please hit like button and subscribe to Good Design Lab. Drop a comment below if you any questions. I am Guru. Thanks for watching and keep modeling. Thank you guys.